How y'all like it? Nike Air on the back or a Jordan Man on the back? We gonna compare the two. Oh, and the theme song is back. Sneaker Notes.
They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh?
What up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I told you your boy gonna get consistent, man. We back. I'm finally doing a review on the Infrared 6s. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to get those out the way first. Before we get into that review, I'm gonna show y'all how my little man doing, man. I was able to secure the off-white AIRMAX for my little man. So, you know, shouts out to everybody who got kids. You got a little son, man, a little girl. This is definitely a dope pickup, man. Definitely a dope pickup. I like how they keep it all the way the same for kids as they do with adults. Real tough, man. Real tough sneaker. I wasn't able to get them for myself, man, but it's all good. So again, that's the off-white kids, the 10 Nike Air AIRMAX 90 off-white. So again, like I told y'all, we're going to get straight into these reviews. No long talk, but before we can get into the review, you already know what we do here at Sneaker Notes. This is called the What's on Foot segment. So this is where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section right now while you're watching the video and let me know what you rocking on foot while you watching the video. Me, I got on all blue today. Check me out. Yeah, so these are the all blue 12s, the original all blue 12s. These came out way before the Michigans even became available for us. When the Michigans were only a PE, these were out. So I love these, the original. That's why I ain't get to wear my Michigans yet. So again, on foot, I got on a Jordan 12 blue suede. In that comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot. And without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Unboxing time. So unlike the Social Status 6, we back to the original Jordan 6 box. Which ain't bad, man. I always like this box because the lid stay connected to the bottom. So I always like this box. You got your wax tissue paper because, of course, everybody know the Jordan 6s have the white, clear, icy insole that can yellow real quick. So that's why they attach the black wax paper. And this pair here is from Finish Line. I got my original pair from Jordan 2 weeks in advance from Sneaker app, 2 weeks in advance. But my uncle wanted them, so shouts out to my uncle. I knew I was gonna be able to secure a pair release date, so I let my uncle get them. But my first response, because a lot of YouTubers don't tell y'all this, but when I first opened this box of Jordan 6s, I smell a whole bunch of glue. If it's not glue, it's a material smell. It's not that bad. It's a new sneaker smell, would smell good, but you can definitely smell it when you open these Jordan 6 boxes. So let's start with the left shoe. Let's do it 360. I want y'all to get close because the color on this can fool you, man. Sometimes it looks like that OG red we definitely wanted. Then sometimes it just looks like the infrared that we recently got in 2010, I think, or 2014. But this sneaker's sweet, man. And it's a classic. No matter what color red they put there, it's a classic. So we start with the toe box. Soft, man. Soft suede nubuck toe box. Come up your toe heel. The original Jordan, man. You already know your classic rim tongue that the Jordan 6 provide. They put the Nike logo on this on the shoestring holder, and then when you flip it around, you got your Jordan, man. So Jordan on one side, Nike on the other side. Okay, like I told you, you got your icy outsole at the bottom here that can yellow real quick. So it's very good that you keep these like in the box or in the original box or in the storage that sunlight cannot get in. Then you go with that red again, man. It's hard to tell, guys. It's definitely not the original red, but I think it's a little darker than the infrared that we got. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel. Is it infrared or is it a little darker than the infrared? Come down. Got your Jordan logo. I'm telling you, it's definitely a little darker red in my opinion, man. But I don't know. I want to hear from you guys. Outsole at the bottom. And the only thing different that we know for sure is this Nike Air logo on the back. Inside, your regular shoe tree. And this inside is red. And that's no doubt in my mind. That's not infrared. That's red. One key thing I like about these Jordan 6s here is that it's 3M. So that's real dope. They kept it 3M right here. If you don't know, 3M means it reflects. So that's super dope. 3M. So again, these are your Jordan 6 2019 version. Let's compare them to the 2014 infrareds. Let's go. Now, if I just go like this, right? Can y'all tell me which is which? Look at that. So, on my right side, this is the Nike Air Jordan 6 that just dropped 2019. And on my left, it's the 2014 version of the infrareds with the Jordan man on the back. So side by side, guys, I cannot really tell a difference. But this red on the new 2019 pair does look a little darker than the 2014 pair. I don't know, man. It's starting to hurt my eyes, guys. But this is your review on your Jordan 6 infrared 2019 Nike on the back. These are your Jordan 6 2014 infrared Nike Jordan on the back. They're both infrared also, and they called infrared, and they both have the 3M. So it's kind of hard to tell these things apart, man. But again, this is your boy Sneaker Notes. Wanted to get this Jordan 6 comparison and review to y'all as soon as I can. Please subscribe. Please like. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Sneaker Notes is where it's at, man. Everybody, get rich.
They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh?